For quite some time, a beautiful bird has been living in the birdhouse that Daddy hung in the garden.
No one's here. Maybe Mommy Bird flew off somewhere for a little while. No, here I am. And I've got big news. Just listen to my little house. Oh, the chicks. They're making sure you hear them. Can I take a look? Of course you can. They're all awake. They've grown so big,
says Moosty.
They're already good-sized little fledglings. Yes. It won't be long now before they learn to fly. Meanwhile, I hope they just sit here peacefully in the nest for a bit, because I have to go and look for some food. That's okay. I'll stay with them until you get back. Will you really? That's wonderful. You go ahead, Mommy Bird. I won't be long. Bye, Moosty.
Moosty is really pleased he can do something to help Mommy Bird, but he hopes she won't stay away too long because her chicks have started making a lot of noise again.
Oh, here she comes already. Can you stay a little longer? Then I can gather a bit more food for later,
asks Mommy Bird.
I'll stay as long as you need me.
In that case, I'll come and keep you company. Why is it you have to stay here?
Mommy Bird is scared that her chicks will fly away too soon.
Are they already that big? Asks Miss Tortoise.
Oh, yeah. I think they'll be flying really soon. Mommy Bird has been gone a really long time. Can you keep an eye on things, Miss Tortoise? I'll go and look for her in the garden.
All right, go ahead. I'll babysit. I hope these little rascals don't get into any mischief. Oh no! Oops! What will Moosty say? And Mommy Bird? Did you hurt yourself, little one? Can you stand up? What am I going to do now? I can't put you back in the nest. I know. Curl up really small, and then I'll stand over you. There, nothing can happen to you now.
Here we are,
shouts Moosty.
I found Mommy Bird. She hurt her leg. Is everything all right here?
It is now, yes. This little one wanted to learn to fly, but thankfully he's all right.
You little rascal! I'll be keeping a very close eye on you from now on. Now off you go, back into our cozy nest. I'll help you,
says Moosty.
Come on, in you go. Thank you for everything.
What an adventure, says Miss Tortoise.
And it's not over yet,
laughs Moosty.
Because I promised Mommy Bird I'd go and look for some food for her chicks.
That sounds like fun. We can go look together. It's a beautiful morning. Moosty gives Mommy a quick wave and then hurries off. Farmer Giles has gone into town, so he asked Moosty to watch the animals.
Hello, Mother Hen. Hello, chicks.
Good morning, Moosty. How nice you're here already. Farmer Giles just left a moment ago, says Mother Hen. But as you can see, he made sure we all had our breakfast first.
In that case, I'll let you finish your breakfast. I'll go check on the other animals.
I think you should check on Mr. Cockerel first, says Mother Hen. He's over there on the fence. He wasn't feeling very well earlier.
Then I'll go see him right away.
When Moosty sees Mr. Cockerel, he's startled.
What's the matter? Asks Moosty. Are you sick?
Mr. Cockerel raises his head a little, as if he wants to say something, but then it droops back down again.
He's been like that all morning,
says Boomer.
He doesn't talk, and he doesn't move.
It's too bad that Farmer Giles isn't here. He'd know what to do.
Maybe he's got a temperature.
Moosty quickly dips a towel in a bucket of cool water. He puts it on Mr. Cockerel's head. Mr. Cockerel looks up at Moosty for a moment and then shakes his head.
Maybe he's just really sad and needs a big hug,
moos Miss Cow. Moosty stretches up on his toes and pets Mr. Cockerel gently. He even gives him a little kiss.
Are you feeling any better now?
He asks. Now that her chicks are asleep, Mother Hen comes to take a look. Can I help in any way? She asks.
Nobody here can help him,
says Moosty.
I'm going to take him home with me. Maybe my daddy will know what to do.
Well, take good care of him, and be careful,
says Boomer.
I'll keep an eye on everything here.
I'll be back soon.
And with Mr. Cockerel clasped tightly in his arms, Moosty starts to run home.
Moosty's dad will be able to help,
says Boomer. I hope so, sighs Mother Hen. Moosty hopes so too. On the way to Moosty's house, there are a couple of big stones lying on the path. Moosty isn't paying attention and... oops!
All right! That got rid of it!
Mr. Cockerel crows.
That grain of corn was stuck in my throat since this morning. Thanks for that little fall, Moosty.
But when Mr. Cockerel sees that Moosty is still sitting on the ground, he's concerned.
Did you hurt yourself?
No,
says Moosty.
I'm just a bit shaken, that's all. I'll be fine in a minute. And you're fine too, I see.
The two friends walk back to the farm together. Moosty immediately tells the happy news to Boomer and Mother Hen. And Mr. Cockerel once again loudly crows.
Oops! There goes my ball. Too bad Mr. Rabbit's not here. He could kick it back to me. Hey! Hello! Who are you? What are you doing out here all alone? Don't be scared. It's me, Moosty. Hey! I know you. You're one of Mr. Rabbit's nephews. Come on. I'll bring you back to his burrow. Look, there's his burrow. Mr. Rabbit, are you home? He's here. I can hear him coming.
Oh, hey, what's up, Moosty? I was just taking a little nap.
Who's your friend here? Hey, wait a minute! That's my nephew Blue Ear! How did he end up with you? And where are all the others? They're all gone! What am I going to do?
Stay calm. First, tell me who's missing.
The other two. You know, Yellow Ear and Ginger Ear. I think they must have ran off while I was still asleep.
They couldn't have gone far. Maybe they're hiding in the garden somewhere. Here, you look after little Blue Ear. I'll go look for them.
Blue Ear stands next to Mr. Rabbit and hangs his little head.
I'm really, really sorry,
he mumbles. Meanwhile, Moosty continues his search through the garden. He hears something near the garden shed. And look! Moosty found the two other rabbits.
Hello there,
he says. The little rabbits are startled.
Don't be scared. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm Moosty. I was looking for you. Your Uncle Rabbit is very worried. When he woke up, he didn't know where you were. Is he mad at us?
asked Ginger Ear.
Well, he's pretty upset. But he'll be happy that I found you safe and sound. Come on. Let's hurry back to him. Blue Ear is already there.
All right, here they come. You found them already. Mr. Rabbit sighs with relief.
We're really sorry for running off,
Ginger Ear and Yellow Ear whisper timidly and then quickly huddle away.
All this running around must have worn them out,
says Moosty with a smile.
I'm going to head back home, but I'll be back after I have a bite to eat. Then we can play, if you guys want to. With the ball?
Asks Ginger Ear.
Yep,
nods Moosty.
We can play kickball. I'll leave it here with you. See you later. See you later, Moosty.
Peace at last, sighs Mr. Rabbit. I'm going back to sleep.